This is our brand new LG window 12,000 BTU air conditioner. We just had it installed today. We got it on Amazon and it arrived in good condition. And now we'll give it the test. Let's start with the remote. Really simple remote control. Not much to it. So let's hit the power button. Okay, it starts an energy saver. Let's go to cool. And let's check the fan mode. It's also a humidifier. See how it sounds on F1. I'm going to move a little bit so we don't get the rustling air noise, hopefully. And I guess that's about it. This lever is to allow outside air in or maintain it closed. Hi everyone, here's some more on this new LG 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. I'm going to check what the temperature coming out of the vent is, and then we'll see how close it is. Well, according to this, it's 1 degree lower than my set temperature, so that's a good thing. Okay, and that's it for today, and that wraps this up. If you want a good air conditioner, this might be the way to go.